sounding good.
Yes, sir.
The ground was shaking when you drove up.
Yeah, it's got some stuff in it. Hell, I beat you here. I just pulled up. It sounds good though.
Got a new Corvette. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this ain't no Corvette. This is a McLaren, ain't it? Ain't this McLaren? Yeah, it's a McLaren. It's a McLaren. Got some of everything out here for you. Yeah. Look at the exhaust. Look at the exhaust. Like McLaren.
I ain't feeling. I'm just snapping.
It's pretty much the last shade spot, so that'd be the perfect place for it.
There's some leaves coming down. There's nothing else.
Oh yeah.
My black Corvette.
No, it's just a paint to clean. That's all.
No, you're
And I'll bring you over a registration form, and you just put it in the windshield or however you want to do it, just so that way people walking by knows.
Who that?
You wouldn't believe. Now it's so-so, you know.
We brought the youngest
all I did was-
generation with us here.
All I did was
Gotta
put a
keep it
long
going.
That's right.
Gotta keep it going.
I got my truck.
Oh, okay.
The heads are stock.
Trying to sell it.
Okay. All right.
But it's been bored.
I got not me. I got too many projects.
Bored anymore.
So
That's what I'm selling.
you know.
Fix the other project.
What you got? What you trying to fit?
It's a 95 Explorer, but I'm a 302 swap it. Out of like a
Okay.
box body.
Well, some of them came with 302s.
Yeah. They came
Yeah.
with 5.0 on them.
Yeah. Some of them came with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He did a Sonic.
I want a carburetor swap it, so it has
Oh,
fuel
okay.
injection. I want to put a carburetor on.
Oh, that's easy.
Oh yeah.
That's it. All you gotta do is plug all the fuel injection stuff up, put that carburetor on it, and it's a whole lot easier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about the return lines and all that other crazy stuff.
I did, well, yeah. What are you going to do? You have your car and your car keys. No, he just had the engine. No. I pulled the engine. Yeah. I'm quite capable of doing that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a mechanic or anything, but I built my own, and I did it for that reason.
Did you?
I mean, it took me 3 months, but I did it.
Oh, this thing has been torn apart quite a few times.
Yeah.
I've taken the transmission out, God knows how many times. So
Uh-huh.
you just put it in your lap.
Right.
I mean, it's not
Right.
even that heavy. It don't even
Is
weigh.
it bored or anything?
Huh?
Has it been bored over or anything
The
like
engine?
Yeah.
Yeah, twice.
Okay. All right.
But the transmission's a Muncie. It only weighs about 100 pounds.
Right. Oh, it's a stick car. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that makes it even better.
Do you see any power steering pump or any AC or?
Oh, man, bare bones. Bare bones.
I've had that car since it was new.
You the original owner?
Yeah, where's the owner?
Oh, man. Yeah.
Bought
That's
that car in Santa Cruz, California.
okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
It was-
impressive.
It was $3,600 out the door.
Okay, yeah, I remember that. I remember they were like
The
that.
base price on these, on the Camaro and this were the same,
Mm-hmm.
$29.95.
Yeah. Well,
But
And-
that was a lot of money back then. I mean,
right, but still is.
the Corvettes were like
Okay.
6,000 then. I don't think.
So what made you hold on to it? Well,
no idea.
I'm glad you did. I'm
Yeah,
glad
no,
you did.
Oh, in fact, I went to junior college. I didn't go to college, but I actually did a speech
Mhm.
But if you buy the right car, that you can actually make money on it.
Yeah. This is the one. This
Yeah,
is
I mean,
definitely
if I
the
would've had
one.
money, I'm sure I would have bought more cars, or I would have kept more of them.
Right.
It's kind of hard sometimes.
Yeah, but this is nice, man. This is nice. And it's always good to talk to the original owner because this car has meaning to you.
Oh yeah.
This car, you know, you can tell stories with this car. I mean, like you said, you had your kids. You know, your kids
No,
are.
I never had any kids.
Well, oh, I'm sorry.
But I married someone that.
Yeah, yeah. And you know, you got stories of growing up and traveling and doing things with the car.
It's been hot on Snipes too a couple of times
Oh, good,
in
good.
Reno.
Oh, okay.
And that place got to be a real joke.
Let me go listen to this flathead. Wow.
See how it looks?
Yeah. Dual exhaust on a flathead. 4-cylinder.
You never seen it before, have
Never in my life. In my life.
Never again.
I probably won't.
And dual updraft carburetors.
Dual updraft carburetor. Aviation fuel.
That's it.
Very cool.
Now that it's warm, it might.
Right. 31 Fire Chief.
Man, that thing is bad to the bone.
It's even got what I affectionately call fat boy seats.
I see the swivel, man.
So you can roll them completely sideways. So when I get old, I can put my wheelchair. I done measure. Put my wheelchair and hop in, and then pull the button and
See there?
There you go, man. That's cool.
Planning for the future.